Christmas is the time to get together for food and drinks. For this episode, we shall make this very simple canapés you can make at home. Come join me in my very merry kitchen. My canapés recipe today puts together creamy tuna pate with sun-dried tomatoes and pesto. Perhaps not a common combination, but believe me, it works. Let's look at the ingredients. Let's start by making the pesto. My sous chef shall be using our trusted food processor for this job. Simply combine all the ingredients. Basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, lemon zest, lemon juice, and a knob of butter. Give it a few pulses, then add in the olive oil. Give it a few more pulses. Scrape the sides and blitz some more until you get the right consistency. Spoon the finished pesto into a jar. Refrigerate for later. Now, we shall make our tuna pate with sun-dried tomatoes. Get all your ingredients together. Canned tuna flakes, drained, sun-dried tomatoes, mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, and red onion. In the food processor we just used, add the tuna flakes, sun-dried tomatoes, mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, red onion, some basil leaves, and some lemon juice. Now, it is only a matter of blitzing it into a creamy consistency. Transfer your tuna pate to a jar and refrigerate for later. Of course, you can also make a big batch of your tuna pate and pesto to give away as presents this holiday season.
Hello, this is Brentwood. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you!
And now, let's make our little canapés. For this recipe, we are using thin slices of baguette, blinis, and crackers. First spread a thin layer of pesto, then top with a generous amount of the tuna pate. For garnish, we are using wafer-thin slices of lemon, as well as cilantro leaves. And there you have it, my dear friends. Tuna pate with sun-dried tomatoes and pesto. Enjoy them this holiday or any day of the year. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Please consider supporting our plushie channel. Donate through Buy Me a Coffee using the QR code link. Thank you.
Hi, this is Russell. Click here to watch other plushie videos. Happy Christmas!